everyone. My name is Olivia, and I am PhD student and instructor at the National Autonomous University of Mexico. Uh, I teach biostatistics and also population ecology for about 5 years now, and I was asked to talk a little bit about my experience in challenges of teaching quantitative subjects. So for that, I prepped uh, this little infographic. And I would say the main challenge I've faced is that students often have a complicated relationship with math. Either they are scared of math or they couldn't care less, and they oftentimes uh, go into biology or health sciences thinking they kind of have escaped math for the rest of their lives. And surprise, surprise, there's a lot of math involved. And so to handle this, I often start by saying that they should be kind with themselves while learning statistics or pop ecology because it's kind of the same as learning a new language. You're not dumb or a fool if you don't understand certain words, you're just learning. So it's the same with equations. And I think that goes a long way in sort of reframing how they think about math. It's just a new language, and we should be patient about it. So, can you still handle R? I would say they can, no matter what their background, but the learning curve will be different depending on how well versed they are with math. But even if they have no experience in computer science whatsoever, they can. That at least has been my experience. Is important to tell them that computers don't think the way we do, and they are not artificial intelligence. So they must receive very specific instructions on what to do. So if they're missing a chunk of the instruction, the machine won't know what to do. It's also important to foster teamwork and peer review of code, but because oftentimes when code is not working is just because you need another set of eyes to see what comma are you missing, or how you misspell the object name. As I was saying, coding and math can be scary, so students need reassurance until they feel more confident, and they develop that, and when they first have running code they feel very proud of themselves. So kind words do go a long way, and always remind them that if they're the devil's in the details, like if the code is not running, it might be because of a slight error. It doesn't mean that you failed at all. Coding is oftentimes a matter of a little detail, and I would say those are my main advice when it comes to teaching quantitative subjects. Also, be very mindful of the examples that you use. Try not to do examples like of the books that are often related when we are teaching statistics, sorry, about gains and gambling, or try to use try to use variables that matter, that they will encounter later on in their journey. So even if it's not your area, try to research what kind of problems or designs they use in genetics, they use in zoology, in ecology, in pretty much a broad spectrum of areas and interests. And I think that that's it for me. Thank you very much for listening, and I can answer any questions. Make sure to follow Eco Forecast on Twitter. Thank you.